Not the most perfect organization you guys are going to see, but it's like a start, and I actually love how it is looking, other than how basically I come home and see it all the time, like, you know, fridge is just never organized.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. We can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, make sure to go ahead to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, give this video a big thumbs up, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about Life as Dominique Awesomeness channel. So alright, I know I look like I just woke up, because I literally just woke up, got myself fresh to come do this video because I have so much to do today. Alright, so today we're going to do a refrigerator organization. So I am going to show you guys all that I got to organize this refrigerator. My refrigerator at home is super unorganized. You guys will see that too, and I'm going to show you how creative I can be, or what I can do to the best of my ability to get this looking really nice. So I thought about this after I saw another video on YouTube, and then I went and watched so many other videos, and I went on Pinterest to see how I can get this done to my small refrigerator at home. If you want, like what I did, I went and got some stuff in Jamaica. But if you can wait, if you feel like waiting where you can get the nice cute stuff from Amazon, you can go ahead and order from Amazon to get these stuff here in Jamaica. If you are thinking about that, you're watching this video, then you can also ship with my company, which is JNC Load Cart Shipping Courier out here in Jamaica. We do Amazon orders as well if you don't have any card, and then kudos to you, you're able to get your refrigerator as organized as possible with things from Amazon. So we're going to jump right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I'm doing this video for you guys and also myself, because my fridge looks so bad. So remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this is basically my fridge, and today I'm going to do a refrigerator organization with you guys. It's going to include up at the top as well, because everything is just all over the place. The cereal, the bread, the pineapple around there, you can see the Stark, fruits, or everything just dashed on. It's so bad. Well, we're not going to do the freezer, we're just going to do this section of the fridge. So yeah, so please just stay tuned to see what I am going to do with this. Honestly, my fridge is so unorganized because the big juice, they're at the front, everything just round the back, every single thing is just everything is just all over. So please just stay tuned and see what I'm going to do with my fridge for this video. All right, don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, so to do this video, or to do this organization of the fridge, I got these stuff here in Jamaica. All right, I'm going to tell you where I get everything from. All right, so, and I will tell you what this is for after. So let's get into all the things that I got to do this organization. So I got these in Bashko. They were $55 each for one, and when you purchase 3 or more you get discount. So I got these. These are basically basins, dish base, cover basin, and I got 6 of these. They come in different sizes. In Jamaica it was $675 for the 3 of them, and another $675 for this 3. Over here I got some trays. I got 2 sets of trays. Alright, these were $2 something for one. I don't remember how much exactly, but it came up to 500 and something, I think. Alright, so for the cereals, I really wish I could have got like cereal dispensers, but not right now. So I got these in a store. This one was $7.45 and this one was $5.50. Yeah, and as you guys can see, it says save space, enjoy your life, and it can hold up to 2,000 milliliter of whatever you're gonna put in there. Save space. All right, convenient, receive. All right, don't see how much this can hold. Okay, 1,200 milliliters. So these are what we're going to use to do this refrigerator organization. And because I was trying to seek the waterproof marker, I did not get any. Well, I didn't went to Fontana. Probably if I went to Fontana or a bookstore I would have, but I was trying to move fast to get out of the store, out of Ulterius, and come back home. So I got this in Bashko, and this is a color coding label. So I think it's going to be very cute if I'm going to put these on them and have them in like a specific order. It's going to be so cute, and I can just write on it, and whenever I am finished with not using it anymore, or if I decide to change or what's in these containers, I can just tear off the labels and do another one. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and unpack my refrigerator now. So I am now finished with my small fridge organization, and I'm going to now reveal it to you based on, you know, letting you guys know how I did it and all that is in whatever container that is in here. So if you all know, or no say, if you guys were listening before, I was inspired by a YouTube video to get my fridge looking like this. Not the perfect, most perfect organization you guys are going to see, but it's like a start, and I actually love how it is looking, other than how basically I come home and see it all the time, like, you know, fridge is just never organized. So as I said, it's not the best, and I definitely need more containers to do, you know, kind of more organization. But for this, my fridge is very small, so just to have it looking like about at least this, and probably if I get more containers, it's going to be like really full, but this works and everything fits where it needs to be. So I'm going to get right into the video. So in this tray right here, we have dressing, cheese, tin milk. So yes, I know, not the best thing for the tin milk, but I keep it in that. I have my cheese right here. We have mayo right here. We have some dressing for vegetables. We have, hold on, my hand is in the way. We have some wing sauce, ranch dressing, and that's mustard. Yeah. So in here we know we have oranges and we have mangoes. So we have oranges, right? And I like my oranges to be cold, that's why they're in the fridge. And then I love to have cold mangoes as well, so that's why I have mangoes there. Around the background there we have some yogurts. I just packed them on each other so you guys can see it around there. Right here we have apples, and I have my apples inside here right there. Coming down to the second shelf, we have callaloo. So as you guys can see, there's callaloo in that container. In this one we have lettuce. In this one we have butter. I think I need a butter dish because I had to separate the butter in two to make it fit in this organization. All right, over here we have some green beans, and as you can see, there are green beans in here. We have cauliflower. The cauliflower is there, and down here we have cabbage. So I had to cut my cabbage for it to fit in this dish. So let me show you my dish. They aren't as big as I would really want them to, but yeah, that's it. All right, so here, all right, let's go to the back first. So around the back, as I said before, I had to separate the butter into two. So I did the butter in this container as well, and I had to do green beans in two as well because the containers aren't as big. You guys saw based on how I show you the detail look of the containers. Going back in front of those, we have pineapple. So yeah, pineapple, and we have salt fish. So yeah, that would be the organization for the second shelf. All right, and that was the upper shelf, which is the first one. Coming down here now to this space, we have orange juice, we have fruit punch, and we have cow's milk, and then we have some lime juice for when we're mixing juice, and we have some ginger extract right there, and then we have some good old syrup. We keep the syrup in the fridge so it can always be cool and ready to go. All right, so that's it for my shelves. So that is shelf number 1. All right. Shelf number 2. And shelf number 3. All right, so going down into the drawer down here now. So this, my fridge, as I said before, my refrigerator is very small, so I have to kind of not put containers down here. So in this bag we have like scallion, onion, garlic, and some thyme. All right, in this bag we have sweet peppers and carrots. We have some tomatoes here, and I have a big cabbage around there because it could not fit in the container that I had, so I had to just rest it around there like that. Coming to the side here, this is the door. We have eggs. I definitely need to get an egg tray because I brought this today while I was cleaning. I did not realize it was on the ground, and I stepped on it and it broke. Over here we have Suppagen, Ribena. Coming down we have the water. So the water comes to the door. I'll show you the door after. And We have some Sorrel Bear and some Annie King for whenever, you know, just feel like you want to have a nice little vibe going on. On top of the fridge now, we have our cereal containers, bread and banana and ripe plantains down further in it. So we have A-Pen cereal right here, and we have onion nut cereals in this one. So cute. Some of them are like heart shape. And then we have our bread right here, banana right there, and yeah, this colored thing, I think it needs to go, but for now that's what we're working with. All right, so yeah. Okay guys, so that's the end of my small refrigerator organization tour. I hope you guys liked it. Not the best, but you know, it was something to look at, and you know, kind of motivate somebody out there. It actually enhances the beauty of your house. So like, you know, you're going to fridge, like outside is clean, and when you go in the fridge, it's like, you know, it don't look bad. You understand? It's like it matching with everything. Outside clean, when you go in the fridge, you know, everything's all over the place. So yeah, I was inspired by Tanania on YouTube to do that video. As I said, I don't have a big fridge like her. I have a very tiny weeny fridge, but I was able to do something. Probably further on in the future it will be better, because probably I'll get a bigger fridge by then. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section, tell a friend to tell a friend about Life of Dominique Awesomeness channel. Don't forget to share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.